Hi friends, a warm welcome to our channel. I am your career guide and business consultant Balu Nayak Harsha. In this channel I am uploading very frequent videos about the career and business development in India. Let's move on to the today's topic. How to choose branches after 10th class. This is the topic today I am going to discuss, and I am promising I will give you a clear idea about how to take admission and which course you need to pursue according to the skills and according to the jobs and many more. So don't skip this video. If you skip this video, you does not get clarity and you will get confused. Let's move on to the today's topic. How to choose 10th class subjects, branches to the 10th class students and their parents. I will give clarity. What are the options are available in the society? What are the demanded courses are available in the society? And what are the quick settled jobs? This course you can settle quickly. That type of courses I am going to discuss in few minutes. Firstly, I will congratulate to all the students who cracked their SSC simple exam 2021. Most of the people got 9 and above grades, and all the best for your future education. So till now only one path, that's 1 to 10. You keep on studying and improving your knowledge. So now you got a 10th class, you cracked it. So now options are more available. So you need to choose which path is quick settled path and which are the high paying jobs path. So like that in your mind, what you think that you can select now itself, so that you can get clarity and settle quickly in your life. So this is the right time to choose your career. So right time at right decision can help you to success very short period of time. That is good for you and your family will get settled quickly. It is very important to the students to choose branches according to your skills, your ability and your interest. Based upon these three things you have to select, not rather than this. Like, so demand is there for every field. Only the thing is you have to have good communication skills and the subject skills. So based upon these things you will get jobs and succeed in your life very quickly. This is a common confusion which most of the students face after their 10th class. But few students are very clear about what they want in their life. For them it is very easy to choose the branches what they want to study. So in other hand, some people doesn't know how to select. For them, don't worry, I will be there for you. I will give clear idea about the every options what you are open and what you are eligible for. So don't worry. People are taking the courses based on three things. That is, first one is everybody is going MPC, everybody is going CSC, everybody is doing engineering, so I will do that. So don't do that. Discuss with your teachers, seniors, get clarity. And first and most important is student skills, interest and lastly ability. So based upon these three things you have to choose. And the second thing is parents' pressure. So parents, what they are expecting is his brother is engineer, he want to study engineering. Like that they will push into the MPC, he doesn't know maths, so he will stuck there itself. So better to give option for the student. Maybe he can succeed another field. So don't pressurize to the students by taking this course only. Don't do that. And the third one is lack of knowledge. Somebody is they are not unable to travel. This 10th class schools are there for every village, but when it comes to the college and the universities and technical colleges, they are not available around 20-30 kilometers to your home. So by sending 40 kilometers and above or another district, parents are not accepting that. So you can accept, you have to accept, because that is their career. They need to study, they need to crack the jobs. So don't do that. Send them to which course they want to pursue, study, send them to that course only. But keep in mind, in that course he needs to fulfill his knowledge. That is the main criteria. So don't do these three mistakes again. Don't go with the flow and parents pressure. No. Third one is lack of knowledge. To know student interest, I will keep a small test for the students. That is, in and around you, how many employers, means jobbers, what are the jobs are available in the society? Write down in the comment. Then I will suggest you many more. So I am giving you 1 minute of time. Go and write quickly in the bottom comment section. I know you will write mostly 3 to 4 jobs only, because at your knowledge these are the jobs and these are the employees you know. Firstly, teacher, doctor, engineer and the police. These are the 4 categories of the jobs you know. If you are written what I have more than these 4, so for you people your path is clear. So you know, if you want to do that job, which field you have to select, that is your known. For who wrote lesser than the 4 and 3, I will suggest you and I will guide you how many types of jobs are there and what course you need to study. I will tell you. Now I will suggest you, I will open up all the options what are available for you to study. As per my knowledge, I have a couple of courses for you. I will go in detail and I will suggest you. Firstly, science and commerce, arts, diploma in engineering, agriculture diploma, veterinary diploma, ITI and the paramedical courses and the pre-teacher training course. These are the courses you can do after your 10th class passed. So here also for few students some options are closed. Why I have told some options are closed? In some colleges, if you want to take MPC, BPC, in your SSC it should be 70% and above. Then only you are eligible for MPC and BPC. That's why I told some people the options already closed. So don't do this for your next classes. Study well, get 75 and above marks. If you want to settle down within 2 to 3 years, so there is a option. For PCs, based upon your 10th, you will get some postal jobs and the PC and the group 4 jobs. You can prepare from the beginning. You will get job after you just crossed 18. So I have explained you what are the types of branches, courses eligible for you. So based upon your skills, your interest, your ability, select the courses. You need to share my videos in your school groups and your friends so that they will get benefited. Here, what are the percentages and what are the eligible criteria to get this to get admission into these courses? I will explain one by one. First, I will come with the science. In science, there is a 2. For MPC students, options are open. You can do your engineering and you can shift after your 12th. You can shift to the MBBS also. But the BPC students, only the one way, that is doing MBBS. So you can do after that non-technical degrees also, but mainly BPC students will go for MBBS only. In this MPC and BPC, the major subjects for MPC is maths, physics, chemistry and the 2 languages. And in BPC, botany, zoology, physics, chemistry, and languages. So these are the subjects you have to study if you take MPC and BPC. Next, come to the second subject, that is commerce. If you are interested in the CA, accountants, banking jobs, and MBA, want to set up your own business, then this is the course for you. You need to take this course. Here also main subjects, commerce, economics, and accounting subjects. Next, come to the arts branch. You can take these arts if you are interested in doing civil services and group jobs, teaching, and politician as well, and lawyer. This is very deep subject. You can go for media also after that. This our most of the politicians are coming from BA, Bachelor of Arts only. So if you are interested in politics or lawyer or journalism, social works, so you definitely take arts. Now regular courses are over. So now I will tell you, within 3 years you will get the job. These are the technical courses you can study and you will get the jobs within 3 years. So firstly I will tell about the ITI, Industrial Training Institute. These are the courses not available for every town. So if you want to study these industrial training institutes, you have to travel other mandal, other districts also sometimes. In these main subjects are electrician, fitter, turner, drawing, draftsman, and all machine operators. You can in this field very plenty of jobs available. Every small scale industry is waiting for you people. You will get hired very quickly. Next, come to the diploma in engineering. In this you have some branches like electrical, mechanical, civil, CSC, IT. These are the branches are available in the diploma in engineering. To get this in good colleges, you need to write PolyCET and you have to eligible that, and after that only you will get the admission into this type of colleges. Diploma in engineering, this is for 3 years course, and without backlogs. If you done 3 years, in the end of the year or next year, 4th year, you will get the jobs. If not, you can go directly to the engineering 2nd year and you can pursue your engineering, and you will get the job after engineering also. Next, agricultural diploma. If you want to enjoy in the rural areas, rural jobs, this course is for you people. So rural background people added advantage for these jobs and getting admission also. It is important. Very few universities are there, not even colleges. So you need to write PolyCET and as well university entrance test also. After getting university entrance test only, you need to study for this agricultural diploma. So here you will get jobs in fertilizer companies and seeds companies, and the government sector also you will get. In the next one is veterinary diploma. In this, main branches are fishing and animal husbandry. In fishery there is demand in the Andhra. Come to the animal husbandry. For this is also 3 years course. In this also plenty of jobs available in Telangana. This also rural people added advantage to get the jobs. Paramedical courses means in the top branches, that is engineering and MBBS. So in engineering there is a diploma. So diploma in civil, diploma in mechanical, diploma in something. So in MBBS there is no diplomas. So these are the courses recently came into the society, that is DMLT, DOA, DOT. These are the diploma courses. In this also you will have plenty of jobs waiting for you. The thing is, you have to study. You have to have good skills, knowledge. That is enough to get these jobs. Lastly, pre-primary teaching course. So this also you can do after your 10th most of the people doesn't know. You can do it after 10th, but very few colleges are offering these courses. So for this also you need to search. I think I have given some ideas about which course you need to take. Already video is very lengthy. I did not go very deep into this. So main thing I am making this video is because you need to apply for PolyCET and prepare for that. Meanwhile, I will clear your all doubts.